Hello everyone, this is Chef Raminder from Korean Green Oakville, and today I'm going to make a real quick and simple dessert which is called chocolate mousse. And this has two main ingredients. One is whole cream and other is chocolate. So let's get cooking.
So I have here 2 cups of whole cream and 1 cup of regular chocolate chips. Usually people use dark chocolate, but I prefer to use regular chocolate because it's not that bitter. So I'm adding my cream into a mixer and whip till it gets nice and firm. So I'm going to start with the slow speed and gently increase the speed so that we get that nice foamy texture. On the other hand, I'm going to start with my boiling pan. So I'm going to melt my chocolate. I have put my mixing bowl to melt my chocolate. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can always stick the chocolate in microwave for 60 to 90 seconds and make sure it's nice and smooth. So use your whisk to break all the lumps and make sure it's nice and smooth. Now I'm adding my melted chocolate to whipping cream. Make sure you get all the goodness into the cream. Start slowly so that it gets nicely folded into the cream. And slowly increase the speed so that it gets nicely mixed up. Towards the end, you have to look for this peak. Look at that peak. So look for that nice firm peak, which ensures that the mixture is nice and firm. Now I'm adding this to a Ziploc bag. So I have a nice firm Ziploc bag. You can always use a piping bag if you have, but I didn't have that handy. So I'm using this Ziploc bag. I'm adding all the mixture into my Ziploc bag. I'm sealing this with my hand, and now I'm going to form a nice keep, a nice and firm keep, so that I can plate my chocolate mousse. I'm getting a pair of scissors to cut it, and now I'm going to layer this gently in my glass. You can also add some nuts or fruits into the layers. I personally like to add strawberries because they go really well with chocolate and they enhance the flavor of chocolate. Also, the color combination of cherry and chocolate is really nice. It's very good for presentation. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to start putting my garnish. So I have some sliced strawberries which I'm going to just put around the edges so that it looks nice and beautiful. Look at this, how beautiful it looks.
I hope you like this recipe. I'm looking forward to see you at my restaurant in Oakville, Coriander Green. Thank you and God bless.